In this video, we present efficient knowledge transfer for jumpstarting control policy learning of multirotors through physics-aware neural architectures. In this work, we tackle the problem of training reinforcement learning policies for a large number of multirotors from the same system family. To this end, we propose a neural architecture composed of a configuration-specific part and a part facilitating knowledge transfer. The proposed neural control architecture facilitates knowledge transfer by splitting the network into a controller trained via reinforcement learning and an allocation part trained via supervised learning. We evaluate the proposed architecture with unconstrained control allocation on 3 different platforms: a planar quadcopter, and a planar and a highly non-planar random hexacopter. Our method shows good tracking performance across all experiments, including the random platform. We additionally evaluate the constrained control allocation on the planar quadcopter for an additional setpoint tracking task, where our method achieves a maximum steady-state tracking error of 5.5 centimeters. To evaluate our method for robustness, we apply 4.5 meters per second wind disturbances and compare it to a classical PID controller. Additionally, we showcase the robustness of our method by applying discrete physical disturbances. We also showcase robustness against significant mass variations unseen in training. To speed up the process of training a control policy for a high number of configurations, we propose a library-based initialization scheme, where we initialize the controller network with a policy picked from a library containing policies of already trained systems. We show that the proposed split architecture facilitates knowledge transfer by preventing the training from collapsing after initialization. To evaluate the proposed initialization scheme, we train 40 sampled configurations from scratch and retrain them with picking policies for initialization randomly and according to our similarity measure. When using the similarity measure, we pick from a library containing similar systems, from the original sparse library, and from the library containing systems with a different motor number. Our experiments show that our initialization scheme needs up to 71% less environment interactions when training a new quadcopter and up to 76% when training a new hexacopter, and significantly outperforms the random initialization. To choose a policy for initialization, we evaluate its performance on the new configuration. Here you can see the performance of the candidate policies deployed on the system to be trained. Thank you.